Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a sheet or an Excel spreadsheet. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I will show you two ways to delete an spreadsheet. So first of all, you can just go to your computer and select your spreadsheet and then right click on it and select it and then click right on it. Wait for a while and just click on delete option and it will be deleted. Or you can delete a sheet from your Excel file. For this you have to go to an Excel file. There can be multiple sheets in your Excel file, right? So just open it. Here you can see there are 7 sheets. So let's say you want to delete sheet number 7. So just click on it and click on delete option and it will confirm. It will give you a confirmation pop-up. Click on delete and here you can see it's deleted. So this is how you can delete a sheet and a spreadsheet in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.